Good morning, students. For today's cyclic 3 revision, we are going to take grammar topics, that is verb and tenses. Already we have done the topics verbs and tenses, into which we all know very well that verbs are action words, and verbs are of two types, transitive and intransitive. Now, firstly, we'll talk about intransitive sentences. In intransitive sentence, there are two only components, that is subject and verb. I is a subject in a sentence and am writing is a verb. Next, we will see transitive sentence. In transitive sentence, what is there? There is a subject, there is an object and a verb. So example can be seen by you. I is subject, am writing is verb, and a letter is object. So it is very clear to all of you what is verb and what is object. Now in this exercise you will be just underlining the verb and circling the object, right? So here it is, he is making noise. Now which is the verb? Is making. So is making needs to be underlined, and noise is an object, so it is to be circled. Are watching, again a verb, TV object. Teachers verb, maths object. Played verb, hockey object. Now what is an object? Object is a word which answers the question what. He is making what? Noise. They are watching what? TV. My sister teaches what? Maths. Ram played what? Hockey. तो आपने ये देख लिया है वर्ब के बाद में जो वर्ड होता है, यदि वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर व्हाट का होता है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ यू विल सी वन more topic, that is tense. In tense, we will be just discussing about today present indefinite and present continuous. Now all of you are much aware that in present continuous tense we use subject, is, rm, ing form. In present indefinite we use subject, verb 1 with ses and the object. Now I have taken sentences, a pair of sentence to show the difference between present indefinite and present continuous tense. They play in the evening, that is their habit. So it is in present indefinite tense, they are playing now. Now word is focusing on what? The continuity, right? Next, she goes to park every morning. Every word is telling about their routine, their habit. So it is in present indefinite tense. Next, she is going to park means at the time of speaking, that person is means doing that work. So that will come into present continuous tense. Next pair, we usually eat sweet after dinner. It is routine, it is a habit, and here it is shown in present continuous tense. We are eating sweet now. Now word is telling the action in the continuity, in the means progress. Now we will do one exercise. I dash to play the violin these days. I am learning to play. These days means now it is in progress. Second, be quiet. We dash to the news. We are listening to the news, right? He dash cricket matches closely, which means it is his habit, so he follows. It will be present indefinite tense. Next, monkeys often dash faces at the visitors at the zoo. Monkeys often, what do they do? Make. Monkeys is plural, right? So with plural, we will not use present continuous, we will use present indefinite because it is their habit. Mrs. Roy always word is again showing the routine, the habit. She always, what does she do? She gives, right? Mrs. Roy always gives us interesting homework. Next, we often, again often word आया है. So we often, it's habit, it's regularity, it's routine. We often go to the movies on Saturdays. We cannot go out. हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं. Why? Because it rains नहीं आएगा. Continuity बताइए. Because it is raining. Hope you have understood the topic. Now I'll give you one exercise to do and just prepare well for your exam in grammar. Thank you. Have a nice day.